Hello friends, welcome to my channel, a channel for learning simple coding. If you find this video to be helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. In last video we have seen the use of getStaticParam function that is replacing the getStaticPath in Next.js 13. Now in this video I am going to explain the use of getStaticPath also for statically pre-render path in Next.js 13. In this video we have seen the use of generating a dynamic path, but there was one problem here. That problem we are going to solve with the help of getStaticPath. So what is the problem and how we can solve this, that we are going to learn. And what is dynamic path? Dynamic path means generating a dynamic route, and statically pre-rendering path means a path that is already available in some database, and with the help of that database we are going to generate only those pages we are going to generate, those are available in database or somewhere else. We are not allowing to create a new dynamic pages. That's we are going to learn in this video. And how to use this getStaticPath function, that we are going to understand. Now you see that in the last video we have used this getStaticParam function. With the help of that we have generated the ID. The one drawback is here that suppose I copy this URL and here I paste this URL and I show you that in this API the maximum ID is 28. You see, or 30, maybe 30. The maximum ID is 30, not more than 30. Remember that. But if I give here ID number 30, so it is okay because 30 is available, so I can give. But if I say here ID number 400, so this page should be 404, but it is still displaying the ID, but this ID is not available here in this API. But all the routes dynamically generating is not restricting on the basis of statically generated path. Means this is also working, but this is not working as we required. We required only for the path or for the ID, those are available in a database. Means only 30 path I want to generate. I don't want to generate unlimited path, so I want to make some restriction. So that means that is not possible here right now. In generating static param we are able to generate the param, but we are not able to restrict it on the ID. Those are not available in this URL, but for that we can do in getStaticPath. So how we can do this? So for that, first of all I make this function copy and comment. Once again I open this like this. Now I change to getStaticPath. So I say getStaticPaths. Remember, I'm changing this because code is same, everything is same. getStaticPath. Now I remove this because it will generate some error with the help of this, because it's not using for caching purpose. So I remove this, remember. So I remove this, I'm using this without this, otherwise it will generate error. Normal fetch function, and because this is not supported in Next.js for rendering purpose, so here we are using this. Now I have to convert this returning value also. So for that I need here path. So I say paths and I can send it to path also like this. Now I have to return, so I put here returning symbol like this. Then here I need to pass param. There are certain changes. Then I need to, here I have to remove this here, and this way I just save this, and this is my extra bracket. Here I need to put this, I have to remove, and here I need to convert to toString also. Save this. Path is gone here. Now we try to do, I need to return like this as a object from here, and we have to give here fallback property also. So I say fallback equal to true right now. Save this. You see, now ID is coming, but here once again I say here 40, that is not available but is displaying a 40 also, similar to that. But here if I say fallback as a false, remember that fallback is false, that means I want to generate only URL those are available in database, not other URL, those are not available. So if I refresh it, and you will see that it will say 404 error. You see, this is not available because it's not available. But if I say 30 and I press enter, and you will see that 30 is working. If I say 31, again it would not working because it's not available. You see that? So it's very simple, but we can use statically generated path. Remember that. So here what I did, I say fallback to false. Fallback false means only the ID available in this API, those paths will generate, not more than this. here, but we are generating lots of path. Those are not available in this also, those we are generating. But here remember, we are generating only the path those are available in this URL. So you see that how to use getStaticPath for statically pre-rendering path. So statically pre-rendering means those path is already available in database. Only those path will be treated as a root or as a path, and that is done at a pre-rendering phase. Remember that. So that is all about in this video. If you like it, please do subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.